Okay, this is Wetheral Junction, and from this point I just want to do a drive through from this Wetheral Junction all the way to the Bank Road, and I want to show my clients in Diaspora the development going on in this vicinity. Actually, the road in this area has been recently been on construction, and it's really looking good and better than before. So this is just a natural, unfiltered drive-through video from Wetheral Junction all the way to the World Bank Road. So stay tuned and watch this video and see the developments happening right here in Owerri, Imo State. And in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube video, my name is Ebenezer Tiobona, a real estate value consultant. I help Nigerians in diaspora buy and secure genuine landed properties and houses right here in Owerri, Imo State. So if you love property videos and you love drive-through videos like this one, videos showing the development, what is happening in Owerri, Imo State, and real estate property videos, I would like you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So why not stay tuned and watch this video till the end and see the developments happening right here in Owerri, Imo State. So over there, this is known as the Amausa, the well-known Amausa. By my left-hand side is the Amausa, the well-known Amausa, and we are going to keep driving down till we get to the Wetheral Road. So by my right hand side is the Wetheral Road. From this point you head straight to fire service. So and we continue. So this road leads to St. Paul's. Amajeke is along this road. So this is the well-known market. Okay, so by my left hand side over there is the St. Paul's, the well-known St. Paul's. And by the left hand side is the Owerri Municipal, where NYSC students, they come to report over there. And over there is the Imo State Internal Revenue that is being reconstructed. So, and in a few minutes we are heading down to the well-known Bank Road. So if you love this video, why not like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till the next time, I remain your #1 real estate consultant right here in Owerri, Imo State. So do well to reach out to me if you have need of buying genuine land and houses right here in Owerri. So take care.